All right, so ladies and gentlemen, we are on topic 3-6 today. So please write the date, whatever that may be. Do not write the word date, please. Actually put the date. Okay, so once again, topic 3-6. 3 is all about multiplication, as if you hadn't figured that out possibly from the vocab that you did previously. So here is our essential question. Our essential question is, how can I draw a picture or organize the information in a word problem to be able to solve it? Okay. How can I draw a picture or organize the information in a word problem to be able to solve it? Okay, so EQ. Got to keep certain keywords in mind while we're going through and working through these. So, some keywords, think about it, look at it. What do you think? Okay, so we're talking about drawing a picture or organizing the information. Okay, now we've talked about this before. The brace map is so important for organizing information. So I'm going to give you the word problem here. Go ahead, look at it, pause the video so you can see it, write it down in a little box there. Oh, look at that. This year I have a Kevin. And Kevin's in our word problem. Look at that. You should feel special, Kevin. All right, so Kevin took 248 photos in a field trip. Marco took 2 times as many. How many photos did Marco take? Draw a picture to help you solve this problem. So, we read it through once. Now let's go through it again. Start analyzing that information. Kevin took 248 photos on a field trip. So, Kevin, 248. Okay, Marco took 2 times as many. Marco, 2 times. Keyword there, multiplication, right? How many photos did Marco take? That's our final question. Okay, so that's what you need to keep in mind. Okay, so let's go ahead and do our brace map so we can pull out that information that we found in the paragraph. Okay, so remember, I know I write fast. I talk fast. Pause as you need. Rewind as you need. So the final question that we have to keep in our mind that we're solving for, always, always, always keeping it in the front of our brain, is how many photos did Marco take? How many Marco? Okay? I don't need to write it exactly word for word. This is just to keep it in my head. How many Marco? That's what I'm keeping in there. Now I have Kevin took 248. So I have Kevin, 248. Okay? Okay, Kevin, you get that right? Okay, moving on to the next one. Marco, 2 times as many. So it doesn't tell us how many. That's the question we're trying to solve, right? So 2 times. Well, there we are. There's what we're trying to solve. Okay, so we have how many for Marco? Okay, we have Kevin took 248, and we know Marco took 2 times what Kevin did. So if we were to draw a picture of Kevin's photos, it's 248. Oops, that doesn't show, does it? It's 248. Okay, well, then we need a second one of those, right? 248, because Marco is 2 times that, 2 of those. Okay, so our sentence frame, how many Marco? Well, we would put Marco took photos. Well, 248, 2 times, that kind of tells you what you're solving here, right? 248 times 2. And then you just work it out. Basic, easy multiplication math, right? 2 times 8 is 16. We regroup that 1. 2 times 4, 8. 1 more, 9. And then 2 times 2 is 4. So then we just fill in our here, right? Marco took 496 photos. Okay? Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. So now we'll do a second one, okay? Notice how that's a picture, right? Is it a picture? Did I draw actually 248 photographs? No. But I broke it up. I organized it. Helped my brain see what I'm working on. Okay? So the essential question stays the same. We're just going to work on another word problem. Okay, so once you see it, go ahead, pause it, and jot down what it says in a little box in your notes. Okay? So here we go. We need to read it and we need to analyze it. So we've got each artist at a large art show is assigned to a team of 5 judges. There are 9 teams of judges at the show. If each team reviews the work of 27 artists, how many artists attend the show? So let's go ahead and read it again and analyze it as we're going through, okay? Each artist at a large art show is assigned to a team of 5 judges. There are 9 teams of judges at the show. So we've got each artist, 5 judges, 9 teams of judges at the show. If each team reviews the work of 27 artists, here's our final question. How many artists attend the show? So when I break it down, when I get that brace map going, I need to put that first, okay, that question. So I remember that that is what I'm solving. How many artists attend the show? How many attend? It means go to it, okay? Easy. Then I have, each artist is assigned to a team of 5 judges. So I'm going to put team, one team is 5 judges, okay? Then I'm going to look at 9 teams of judges. 9 teams of, I'm just going to put a J, okay? So we know it's back over there. 9 teams of judges. And then we've got 27 artists. That's a lot of information to try and break down, right? So let's draw a picture. Help us understand what's going on here. So we know we're starting with 9 teams of judges. 1 team, 2 teams, 3 teams, 4 teams, 5 teams, 6 teams, 7 teams, 8 teams, and there are our 9 teams of judges, right? Well, wait a second. How many artists are on each of those? Well, we've got each team handles 27 artists. Well, that means, let's break it down again. So this team handles 27 artists. This team handles, you got it, 27 artists. This team has 27 artists. You see where I'm going with this? All the way down. Each one, see, if each team reviews the work of 27 artists, so this is what we need to organize our information. Please make sure your notes look just like mine. So these are teams, and these are groups of artists. Okay? So our sentence frame for that final question is, well, it says how many attend. So I'm going to put artists attend. And that's what I need to answer and fill out. Well, what math am I doing here? What exactly is going on? Well, I have 9 groups of 27. So we have 27, you see that, times 9. And once again, just like our 248 times 2, well, we've got our 27 times 9. See, 27 groups, 27 artists per team, and there are 9 teams. Okay, so this is what we multiply. So 7 times 9 is 63. Okay, we regroup that 6. I circle it just to keep it in my head that I know that's a regrouped number. And then 9 times 2 is 18, plus 6 more is 24. So we have 243 artists are attending this art show. Okay. Did I draw artists? Did I draw teams of judges that are going to look at the artists? No. I just put some boxes in there to organize it and help my brain see what I'm doing. Okay? Got to break it down. Got to think about your math. You got to think about it. Because this is confusing until you get it organized.